नमस्कार आणि योगकार. तुम्ही पळयता आवाज माझ्या गोयचो चॅनल.
Government is out to destroy the forest again. My question to the Goa government is, why do you want to revoke and why do you want to destroy Mollem? Good evening, everyone. I'm here once again to let you all know what is happening with Mollem. Again, there is a backdoor entry happening for Mollem, to destroy Mollem. What exactly happened in pandemic? Under the tables, behind the door, backdoor entry, where Goans were not at all aware of what is going to happen. The same thing is going to happen now. The government is out to destroy the forest again. That means they are going to destroy Mollem. Let me tell you what exactly. Since we have received a very disturbing message from my Mollem, let me tell you what exactly is going to happen and what is the concern. The RSC or Regional Empowered Committee in Bangalore is hosting their 84th meeting tomorrow, where they will discuss whether over 15 hectares of forest should be cut. For what? For the doubling of the Kulem-Madgaon railway line. Why is this happening? The government of Goa has requested for a revocation of the Ambience Order 2022. Now, what does it mean exactly? Let me tell you. Essentially, it means that we, the citizens of Goa who had fought for Mollem, to not let the forest destroy, and we succeeded for it. The government is now requesting that this order be revoked and the railway be given permission to cut through the forest. My question to the Goa government is, why do you want to revoke and why do you want to destroy Mollem? Knowing that it is lungs of Goa, why are you behind it once again? What is really bothering them? I really don't get it. What is the scientific committee doing about this? Let me tell you. Earlier in this week, scientists sent a letter to the regional committee to not go ahead with the railway double tracking project. The letter stated that the Western Ghat has over 325 globally threatened species. The Central Empowered Committee of the Supreme Court has also recommended decision makers to recognize the long-term environmental cost and act responsible to ensure our national ecological heritage. As you all know that the entire Goa had fought for this double tracking for Mollem, and we won thanks to people who actually fought tooth and nail for this. And right now also our concerned people like our MP also is fighting for this. So requesting people to understand that there is again a backdoor entry happening. Again Mollem is going to get destroyed. So please, it is a message to alert people that what exactly is going to happen tomorrow. So requesting you all to share this as much as possible. Thank you. Mogaso.